Man, it's a beautiful day. Where is this place? Where am I? I love this place.
Once upon a time, in a faraway land, I was looking for someone to give me a hand, to help cross this bridge of eternal darkness, all the while looking like Captain Jack Harkness. Somewhere at one point I lost my way, and I knew for a sudden it would be getting late. Thankfully, I found an awesome dock, where I could spend my time playing rock. Unfortunately, I ended up turning my head, cause something caught my eye, and it wasn't a loaf of bread. Well, that's one of the last times I ever take a walk in the woods again. Hey, what did you do That is a big sword. I'm not gonna ask any more questions. You know, I should really stop injuring myself in these videos.
That kind of requires you to be smart.
I guess. Well, looks like it's time for me to injure myself in another video. Ow! Who wrote this in the script?
It probably wasn't me. I'm lucky to even be in these anymore.
Hey! Don't you complain about screen time. You're lucky I take only 20% of your salary. So am I gonna have to kick you out of the house, or are you gonna tell me how long has this been happening over my helmet?
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me.
Stop! What in the actual ass? Were you looking for the Disturbed cover? Ah, screw it. I'll do it myself. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because the vision's slowly creeping at its seats while I was sleeping. And the vision that is planted in my brain still remains within the sound of sight. What? Seriously? Damn it!